Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome again. This is the second evening of this match between Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. This is a very great batting by the batsman of this is Azam. So this is welcome again. This is the second inning of this match between Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United, and this is 6 for Irshad Lefty. He opens his account with this 6. The score is 6 on board without any wicket. The total target given by Wanigam United. This is a very huge total given by Wanigam United. Very well batting play today here at Iqbal Memorial, Srivarpura. The total target is 248 for Chukar Royals. Atif Nabi to the batsman Irshad Lefty. He is on strike. He is on 6 with the help of 1-6. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. This is 4 for Irshad Lefty, 4 for Chukar Royals. They need these kinds of shots here because they have huge total given by Wanigam United. 248 runs is the target for Chukar Royals. This is first over of this second evening of this match between Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. First Wanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. This is Atif to the batsman, Irshad Lefty. This is a chance of a wicket here, and this is very this is at the end very good catch taken here. This is the first wicket for Chukar Royals. They lost their first wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. Here they need to be cool and calm because they have very huge total here. Now this is end of Irshad Lefty. He moves on 10. The score on board is 10 for Chukar Royals, and they lost 1 wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. So this is end of Irshad Lefty. Very well catch taken by the fielder at the end. Atif Nabi, he takes his first wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. अगर हम आज बात करेंगे वानीगाम यूनाइटेड की तो एक अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली यहाँ पे, एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ इस ग्राउंड पे, अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया. द बैट्समैन खलीलुल रबाडा, Irfan Khan, Atif Nabi the bowler, he also plays very well knock 35. Muzaffar also plays very well knock of 30 in just 6 deliveries. Very well knock played here by the batsman of Wanigam United, and they give a huge total here for Chukar Royals. 248 runs is the target for Chukar Royals. After and this is the first over, and they lost their first wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. Sajad Ahmad Dar Kaiser, Kobejo, thank you Sajad Dar Sahab for joining us with this live broadcast, and keep share this live broadcast with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Atif Nabi, he takes his first wicket. This is Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on strike, a new batsman for Chukkar Royals. Atif to the batsman, Nadeem Akbar Mir. Oh, this is this was the chance of another wicket, but at the end, well tried by the fielder at the end, but missed this catch. This is a 4 for the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir, 4 for Chukkar Royals. The score moves on 14 for the loss of 1. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा चुक्कर रॉयल्स के बल्लेबाजों को, क्योंकि एक अच्छा सा टारगेट दिया है वानीगाम यूनाइटेड ने. This is very well tried by the fielder at the end, but cannot stop this ball for 4. The score on board is 14 for the loss of 1. Mohammad Asif Cool, Nadeem Bro, thank you Mohammad Asif for joining us with this live broadcast, and keep share this live broadcast to our friends. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में, ताकि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग जुड़े और घर बैठे जो देखने वाले वो इस मैच का आनंद ले और मजा ले. आतिफ टू द बैट्समैन Nadeem. This is a great delivery, very good delivery by Atif Nabi. This is end of first over. The score is 14 for the loss of 1. And Atif Nabi, he takes his first wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. Mohammad Asif runs khud hi aayenge. Thank you Mohammad Asif Saab for your good session to Chukkar Royals. This is a very important match here at Siri Warpura Iqbal Memorial Ground between the two teams, Chukkar Royals versus Wanigam United. First, Wanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. Very good decision taken by the captain of Wanigam United. The total target is 248 for Chukkar Royals. Very huge total given by Wanigam United. Now the new bowler is on his bowling mark to the batsman Tahir. He is on strike. Oh, very good delivery by the bowler. Clean bowled Tahir Ahmad. Muzammil 33, he takes his first wicket on his first delivery. Clean bowled with the batsman Tahir Ahmad. Very well bowling by the bowler Muzammil. Muzammil is also the batsman. He plays very well, luck of 30 runs in 6 deliveries. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है वानीगाम के प्लेयरों की, एक अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे. चाहे बल्लेबाजी की बात करें, आप बॉलिंग में भी अच्छी कारकर्दगी दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Muzammil, he takes his first wicket on his first delivery. This is not good cricket here played by Chukkar Royals at this Iqbal Memorial Siri Warpura ground. 14 runs on board and they lost early 2 wickets. And this is the second over of this second inning of this match. And Muzaffar is the bowler. He takes his first wicket on his first delivery. Very good ball by bowler Muzaffar 333. Aksari TM, thank you Aksari Saab for your love to TM. This is end of Tahir Ahmad. He lost his wicket and he is on tuck. This is very great bowling by Atif, and also Muzammil. He is on his bowling mark to the new batsman Kaisar Dar. The two batsmen Kaisar Dar and Nadeem Akbar Mir, they need to be cool and calm because they lost their early 2 wickets here. यहाँ पे अच्छी तरह से खेलना होगा यहाँ पे इन दो बल्लेबाजों को, क्योंकि 2 विकेट जल्दी से गवाए यहाँ पे. 14 रन. This is again Muzammil. This is a wide given by the umpire. The score moves on 15 for the loss of 2. Mohammad Asif game को last तक खेलो. Thank you Mohammad Asif Saab for your love to Chukkar Royals and for your good session to Chukkar Royals. This is again Muzaffar 333. He is on his bowling to the new batsman Kaisar Dar. This is great shot played by the batsman. Goalie की तरफ से 4 and Kaisar the batsman opens his account with this 4. The score moves on 19 for the loss of 2. यहाँ पे एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी इन दो बल्लेबाजों को अपनी टीम को, क्योंकि they lost their early 2 wickets in the shape of Tahir and Irshad Lefty. Now Muzammil again on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar Dar. Oh, this is another great delivery by Muzammil. Beat the batsman Kaisar Dar. Good delivery. No run score remains on 19 for the loss of 2. Chukar Royals, they need to be cool and calm. They need a big partnership here if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament. Because a very important match between the two teams here at Iqbal Memorial, Srivarpura. This is again Muzammil to the batsman. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman Kaisar Dar. Huge six by the batsman Kaisar. Six for Kaisar, six for Chukar Royals. And this is first six for Kaisar Dar. The score moves on 25 for the loss of 2. Kaisar need to be cool and calm here. Dar Umar out. Thank you, Dar Umar Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Tahir and Irshad Lefty lost their wickets early. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए और आपसे निवेदन है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. This is a very important match played at Srivarpura ground between the two teams, Wanigam United versus Chukar Royals. First, Wanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But very good batting by the batsmen of Wanigam United. They gave a huge target here. 248 is the target for Chukar Royals given by Wanigam United. Very good batting by the batsmen of Wanigam United. Muhammad Asif, great. Thank you, Muhammad Asif Saab, for joining us, and thanks for you also to support me. This is HB Memorial Cricket Tournament Chaksari. Today two teams are Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. The total target is 248 for Chukar Royals given by Wanigam United. Dar Umar 240 में Chakam. Thank you, Dar Umar Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Nadeem Akbar Mir. He is on strike. Atif Nabi comes to bowl on his second over. Atif to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. Oh, this is great delivery by Atif Nabi. Beat the batsman Nadeem Akbar. Very good delivery by the bowler. Muskan Jan keeps shining Chukar Royals. Thank you, Muskan Jan, for your love, for your support to Chukar Royals. But at the end we can say this is very huge total given by the batsman of Wanigam United. Very well played here at Srivarpura Iqbal Memorial ground. 248 runs is the target for Chukar Royals. Again, Atif to the batsman Nadeem. This is another good delivery. The batsman wants to hit this ball but missed this ball. Very good delivery by Atif Nabi. Beat the batsman Nadeem. The score remains on 225 for the loss of 2. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है Chukar Royals को. They need to be cool and calm here because they lost their early 2 wickets. They need a partnership here. This is again Atif to the batsman Nadeem. This is great bowling again. And very good fielding by the fielder of Wanigam United. The score remains on 25 for the loss of 2. Sam Muzammil, assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Sam Muzammil, for joining us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast and you can also support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Walaikum salam आप सभी के लिए. This is again Atif to the batsman Nadeem. And this is another good delivery but and missed by wicket keeper. Vice 4 for Chukar Royals. Muhammad Asif change of pass throw. Thank you, Muhammad Asif Saab. And also Sam Muzammil, आपका शुक्रिया. मुस्कान जान, सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि और भी दोस्त इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ जाए और जो देखने वाले इस मैच का आनंद लेकर बैठे, इस मैच का आनंद ले, मजा ले इस मैच का. This is very important match here, Iqbal Memorial Srivarpura ground. Today Wanigam United, they played very well. Knock here, they gave very huge total for Chukar Royals. 248 runs off target to. This is again Atif to the batsman. Beat the batsman. Very good delivery by the bowler Atif Nabi. No runs score remains on 30 for the loss of 2. The two batsmen, Kaisar and Nadeem, they need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership. And this is a chance here, but and very good shot played by the batsman. First 4 for Nadeem. This is 4 for Chukar Royals. The score moves on 34 for the loss of 2. Dar Umar, next batsman should be Nisar Pando. Thank you, Dar Umar Saab, for your love to Nisar Dar. And this kind at present the condition of Chukar Royals is not good. Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on 8. Atif to Nadeem. This is another good delivery. Very good comeback by the bowler Atif Nabi. This is end of 3 hours. The score is 34 for the loss of 2. $214 runs now need to win this match for Chukar Royals in 102 deliveries. And they have only 8 wickets in hand. Muhammad Asif, perfect. Thank you, Muhammad Asif Saab, for this live broadcast. Kaisar again on his bat. Oh, very good delivery by Muzammil 333. Kaisar wants to hit this ball, but and he missed the shot. This is dot delivery. No runs score remains on 34 for the loss of 2. Muzammil again on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar Dar. Oh, this is again good delivery. Kaisar wants to hit this ball but missed this shot. Kaisar need to be cool and calm here because they lost their 2 early wickets. He need to be cool and calm. Nadeem Rashid Dar Saab, aapka shukriya. Atif is a very good cricketer. Thank you for your love to Atif. This is again Atif to the batsman. And again good delivery. Quality delivery by Muzammil. Wanigam still have Khalif to bowl. And Khalif Rabada is very good bowler for Wanigam United, and also well knock off 62 runs played by the bowler Khalil Rabada. Chukar needs to play calculated cricket to bat them. They need to be choose a bowler to attack. This is again wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery by Muzammil 333. The score remains at 34 for the loss of 2. Very good bowling by Muzammil. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Kaisar. This is 4 for Kaisar, 4 for Chukar Royals. The score moves on 38 for the loss of 2. Here the 2 batsmen need to be cool and calm because they lost their early 2 wickets. They need a partnership here. And a very well bowling by the bowlers of Wanigam United. Again Muzammil to the batsman. Another good shot played by the batsman Kaisar. 4 for Kaisar, 4 for Chukar Royals. 42 on board for the loss of 2. The partnership moves on 28 in 17 deliveries. The 2 batsmen need to be cool and calm here because they lost their early 2 wickets. Now they need 206 runs. This is very huge total given by Wanigam United. 248 runs given by Wanigam United to Chukar Royals. यहाँ पे अगर चुकर रॉयल्स की बात करें तो एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी. यहाँ पे दिमाग से खेलना होगा, सूझबूझ से खेलना होगा यहाँ पे because they lost their early 2 wickets. Muhammad Asif helicopter shot. Thank you Muhammad Asif Saab for your love to the batsman Kaisar Dar. Now Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on strike. And Muzammil 333, he completed 2 hours. Very good bowling by Muzammil. Take 1 wicket and give 19 runs. Now Khalil Rabada, the new bowler, very good experienced bowler of Wanigam United, is on his bowling mark to the batsman. This is good bowling, good ball by. And the 2 batsmen completed a single. Here the 2 batsmen need to be cool and calm. 43 runs on board for the loss of 2. Dar Umar Ishfaq Pando is playing or not? Thank you Dar Ishfaq. Dar Umar Saab is Ishfaq Dar, the captain, is playing in the squad. Still he is not come to bat. Kaisar Dar again, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Khalil Rabada, on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar. He is on 18. Chukar Royals need this batsman Kaisar Dar. Oh, this is chance here. This is end of this batsman. Oh, very good catch taken at the end. This is end of the batsman Kaisar Dar. Oh, यहाँ पे एक और विकेट गवाई चुकर रॉयल्स ने. They lost their 3 wicket, 3rd wicket in the shape of Kaisar Dar, the big man. 43. They lost 3 wickets. Very good bowling by the bowler Khalil Rabada. Khalil Rabada, he takes his first wicket. Very good bowling by Khalil Rabada. On his first delivery, he takes his first wicket in the shape of Kaisar. This is a not good start given by the batsmen of Chukar Royals. They lost their temper here. They lost their 3 wickets early, and they have only 43, and they have 248 runs target. Now the new batsman is Javed Lone. He is a new batsman for Chukkar Royals. He is on strike now. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है, लेकिन तारीफ करनी होगी यहाँ पे वानी काम यूनाइटेड की। एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे। खलील रबाड़ा पहले आए और पहले ही ओवर में पहले विकेट चटकाई, और वो भी एक बड़े विकेट की, बड़े बैट्समैन कैसर डार की विकेट चटकाई। दूसरी ही बॉल पर एक अच्छा कैच लिया वहाँ पे फील्डर ने। नाउ Javed is on strike. Javed Lone is the new batsman for Chukkar Royals. Khalil Rabada on his bowling mark to the batsman Javed. Oh, this is a great delivery. Again, good delivery by Rabada. Muhammad Asif, aggression. Thank you, Muhammad Asif Saab. This is very good cricket played here by Fanigam United. अगर हम बात करें बल्लेबाजी की तो एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया। अगर बॉलिंग की बात करें तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे इस वक्त। Rabada again to the batsman Javed. Oh, this is another good delivery by Khalil Rabada. Very good delivery. No run score. Remains on 43 for the last of 3. Muhammad Asif Javed साहब को cool batsman. Thank you for your love to Javed Lone साहब. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they lost their 3 early wickets and they have huge total given by Fanigam United. Again Khalil Rabada to the batsman Javed. Oh, this is very good delivery with the batsman, but at the end missed by the wicket keeper. The two batsmen take a single here. The score moves on 44 for the last of 3. Gaji Smart Tigers, thank you Gaji Smart sir for joining us with this live broadcast. ये क्या हुआ? Thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. और इस live broadcast को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. And you can also watch this live broadcast on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Now Nadeem Akbar Mir, he's on strike. And this is another good delivery at and very good fielding by the fielder. No run score, remains on 44 for the last of 3. यहाँ पे अगर हम वानीगाम यूनाइटेड की बात करें तो एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे, खासकर बल्लेबाजी में और बॉलिंग में भी अच्छा मुजाहरा किया. Rabada take his first wicket, Muzammil take 1 wicket, and also Atif Nabi he take his first wicket. Very good bowling by the bowlers of Wanigam United. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. गाजी स्मार्ट टाइगर Javed साहब, ग्रेट पर्सन इन दिस टीम. थैंक यू Gaji Smart Tiger Saab for your love to Javed Saab, Javed Lone Saab. This is Gaji Smart and Javed and Nadeem, they need to be cool and calm here. They need a partnership. This is again Muzammil and good delivery by Muzammil. It is wide given by the umpire. Kashmiri, assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Kashmiri, Hamid Lala, Bilal, love you. Thank you Hamid Lala Saab for your love and keep share this live broadcast also with your friends. And this is 5 hours up for Chukkar Royals and they lost 3 wickets and they have 45 on board. And this is Muzammil 33, very young and energetic bowler of this team, Wanigam United. Very good delivery, beat the batsman Javed. The score remains on 45 for the last of 3. Kashmiri. Hello, thank you Kashmiri Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Muzammil again to Javed. Oh, this is great delivery. Here was appeal but cannot impress the umpire. This is good delivery by Muzammil, the young and energetic and talented bowler of Wanigam United. He also plays very well, luck of 30 runs in just 6 deliveries. Now again Muzammil on his bowling mark to the batsman Javed Lone. But Rakib Kota Chukkar on total. The total target is 248. Very huge total. This is another good delivery, but at the end this is 4 for Chukkar Royals. But Rakib 248 run is the target for Chukkar Royals. Gaji Smart Tigers, कौन है out हुआ? Thank you Gaji Smart साहब. Kaisar is the batsman gone, lost his wicket. Irshad left, he lost his wicket. And Tahir, he lost his wicket. This is very well bowling by the bowlers of Wanigam United. Muzammil again to the batsman Javed. Oh, this is another good delivery, but at the end, missed by wicketkeeper. Missed by third. And no ball given by the umpire. This is 54. 50 up half Chukar Royals. 54 for the loss of 3. यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें वानीगाम यूनाइटेड की तो एक अच्छी खेल का यहाँ पे मुजाहरा किया आज बल्लेबाजी में, खासकर एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया। यहाँ पे एक अच्छा सा टोटल दिया। 248 रन इज द टारगेट। वेरी ह्यूज टोटल गिवन बाय वानीगाम यूनाइटेड टू Chukar Royals. After 5.3 hours, Chukar Royals lost their 3 early wickets and they have only 54 on board. This is a very great bowling by the bowlers of Wanigam United. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए ताकि और भी जुड़ने वाले और भी देखने वाले हैं इस मैच का आनंद लें, इस मैच का मजा लेकर बैठे। आसिफ लोन, थैंक यू फॉर योर लव, थैंक यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट। इस live broadcast from Iqbal Memorial City Farpura. The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। Muzammil is again to the batsman Javed Lone. Very good fielding at and this is no runs. Score remains on 54. Asif Lone, good job sir. Thank you Asif Lone sahab for your support, for your love. Keep sharing this live broadcast with your friends and you can also support me on my YouTube channel also. This is Muzammil again to Javed. This is a very good delivery and very good fielding by Gulzar. No run score remains on 54 for the loss of 3. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए वानीगाम यूनाइटेड की उतनी कम है क्योंकि एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे श्रीवारपुरा पे। एक अच्छा टारगेट दिया यहाँ पे। 248 runs is the target. Mushtaq Ahmad Naiku is joining us with this live broadcast. This is another good delivery by Muzammil, the young and energetic and talented cricketer of Wanigam United. This is end of 6 hours. The score is 54 for the loss of 3. Muzammil completes 3 hours and give only 25 and take 1 wicket. Mushtaq Ahmad Naiku, वालेकुम सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू मुश्ताक साहब, और आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। Sam Bilal 220 is a chaseable target here, little bit tough to reach 248. Keep working hard brothers, Sam Bilal, because this is impossible because they lost their 3 early wickets and they lost their 3 wickets in the shape of Irshad Lefty, Kaisar Dar, Tahir, the man 3 batsmen they lost here. Now it is very impossible here to chase this target because this is very huge target given by Wanigam United. Prince Adil, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. Prince Adil Saab, Riyaz Ahmad Bhatt, thank you. Ghazi Smart Tigers 8 over Javed Saab or and the match. Thank you Ghazi Smart Saab for your love to Javed Saab. This is a very huge total given by Wanigam United to Chukar Royals. Now they need 140 runs, 194 runs, and they have only 7 wickets in the hand. This is not good start by Chukar Royals. यहाँ पे अगर बात करें हम वानीगाम के प्लेयरों की तो एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे आज दिखाया। खासकर बल्लेबाजी की बात करें तो आज बहुत ही अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया इस ग्राउंड पे। एक अच्छा हज़ब दिया Chukar Royals को। 248 is the huge total here at this ground given by Wanigam United to Chukar Royals. Sam Bilal, everything is possible. Keep हम इंशाल्लाह दुआ करेंगे और मेहनत भी ज़रूरी है, विकेट भी नहीं गंवाने हैं। एक पार्टनरशिप की भी ज़रूरत है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है। नदीम अकबर मीर is on strike and Khalil Rabada, he is on his bowling mark on his second over. He take his first over and that over was maddened by Rabada. Again, very good delivery by Rabada. Beat the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. Nadeem Akbar Mir wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery by Khalil Rabada. No runs score, remains on 54 for the loss of 3. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। अगेन Khalil Rabada to the batsman Nadeem. This is another good delivery by Rabada. Very good delivery. The score remains on 54 for the loss of 3. This is very great bowling by Khalil Rabada. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी क्वालिटी और आवाज़ हमारी आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए। सो दिस इज अगेन खलील रबाड़ा ऑन हिज बॉलिंग मार्क टू द बैट्समैन नदीम अकबर मीर। Oh, this is a great delivery again by Khalil Rabada. Beat the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is quality delivery by the bowler. No runs score. Remains on 54 for the loss of 3. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे खलील रबाड़ा के दौरान। Again Khalil Rabada to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. Oh, this is a 6 for Nadeem Akbar Mir. Very good shot played by the batsman Nadeem. First 6 for Nadeem. The score moves on 60 for the loss of 3. Sorry, Khalif Rabada is on his bowling mark. Again to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. He moves on 14. Asif Loan आवाज आ रही है सर, थैंक यू Asif for joining us with this live broadcast. This again Khalif to the batsman. This is another good shot played by the batsman Nadeem. 4 for Nadeem, 4 for Chukkar Royals. The two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here because they lost their early 3 wickets. The partnership moves on 21. The score is 64 for the loss of 3. Khalif Rabada again on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. He is on 18. Oh, this is again good shot at the end, very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 65 for the loss of 3. अगर हम इस ओवर की बात करें तो एक अच्छा ओवर साबित हुआ है। चुक्कर रॉयल्स को यहाँ पे 10-11 रन ओवर, इस ओवर में आए 11 रन। Khalif Rabada completes his 2 overs and give 11 runs and take one crucial wicket of Kaisar Dar. Now Irfan Khan. Irfan Khan is the new bowler for United Wanigam. अगर हम इसकी बात करेंगे, इरफान खान की एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया आज यहाँ पे। 88 runs knock played here, very well knock play by Irfan Khan. Now he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. Irfan Khan to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, Nadeem wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery by Irfan Khan. Beat the batsman Nadeem. No runs score. Remains on 65 for the loss of 3. आज यहाँ पे एक अच्छी पारी खेली होगी नदीम अकबर मीर को. Irfan to the Nadeem batsman. Here is a chance, but at the end, the two batsmen take a single here. The score remains goes on 66 for the loss of 3. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they lost their early wickets here. They lost their early 3 wickets. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी से निवेदन है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. Again Irfan Khan to the batsman Javed Lone. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Javed. Very good shot played. This is 6 for Javed Lone, 6 for Chukkar Royals. The score moves on 72 for the loss of 3. Javed Lone, he moves on 10. This is first 6 for Javed Lone. This is a good shot played by the batsman Javed Lone. Again Irfan Khan to the batsman Javed. This is a very welcome back by the bowler Irfan Khan. No run score remains on 72 for the loss of 3. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है. Again Irfan Khan to Javed. This is another good delivery, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves on 73 for the loss of 3. And this is the last delivery of this first over of this bowler Irfan Khan. Nadeem Akbar, he's on strike. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का, 6 लगा नदीम अकबर मीर की तरफ से, 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम, चुकर रॉयल्स के नाम। द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 79 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3। आसिफ लोन, गर्मी बहुत है आज बिलाल साहब, थैंक यू आसिफ लोन साहब। दिस इज अ वेरी हॉट डे टुडे। द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 79 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3। Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they have a huge total to chase, 248 runs, but they lost their other 3 wickets in the shape of Tahir, Irshad lefty and Kaisar. Irfaq Khan completes his first over and give 14 runs in his first over. This is a expensive over by Irfaq Khan. Now Javed Ahmed Loon, he is on strike. Here is a chance, but at the end this is missed by the fielder. This is 4 for Javed, 4 for Chukar Rayals. The score moves on 83 for the loss of 3. Javed Loon, he moves on 15 runs with the help of 2 fours and 1 huge 6. Sam Bilal overs kitne hue 8.1 over. This is the 9th over of this second inning of this match. Now they need 165 to win this match in 71 deliveries. यहाँ पे छक्कों और चौकों की जरूरत है इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. Again, good shot played by the batsman Javed Loon. This is again 4 for Javed, 4 for Chukar Rayals. यहाँ पे ऐसी ही बैटिंग का मुजाहरा करना होगा अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है. The score moves on 87 for the loss of 3. Asif Loan, thank you. Zoom थोड़ा करो. Thank you Asif Loan साहब for your good suggestion. This is a Zoom. आप जरूर बोलना क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है और हमारी वॉइस आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. Now this is 87 for the loss of 3. This is 9th over of this second inning. Javed Loan, he's on strike. He's on 19. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire. The score moves on 88 for the loss of 3. Sameer Bhatt, he's on his bowling mark. Sameer to the batsman Javed. Oh, Javed wants to hit this ball, but he missed this. Very good delivery by Sameer Bhatt. Beat the batsman Javed Loan. Score remains on 88 for the loss of 3. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament, because they have a huge total given by Wanigam United. Asif Loan, thoda sa zoom. Thank you. Asif Loan saw this again. Sameer to the batsman Javed. And Javed plays a shot here and the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 89 for the loss of 3. The partnership is on 46 in 27 deliveries. Now Nadeem Akbar Mir, he's on strike. He's on 26. आज यहाँ पे खेलना होगा अपनी टीम के लिए यहाँ पे नदीम अकबर मीर को. Sameer Bhatt again to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, Nadeem wants to hit this ball, but at the end, very good ball by Sameer Bhatt. The score remains on 89 for the loss of 3. Asif Loan, right side करो थोड़ा. Thank you. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और काटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. This is again very good delivery by the bowler Sameer Bhatt. No run score remains on 89 for the loss of 3. Sam Bilal, he has no pass attach him. Sorry, thank you Sam Bilal sir for your good session to the batsman Javed Loan and Nadeem Akbar. Mushtaq Ahmed Naiku, nice community. Thank you Mushtaq Ahmed Naiku sir for your love, for your support to this live broadcast, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं इस मैच का आनंद लें, इस मैच का मजा लें. Sam Bilal attack. Thank you Sam Bilal sir for your good suggestion to the batsman Javed and Nadeem. Now the new bowler is on his bowling mark to the batsman Javed. This is good shot played by the batsman Javed. 4 for Javed, 4 for Chukar Rayals. They need here these kinds of shots 4-6 because they have a huge total given by Vanigam United. 248 runs is the target to win this match. The score moves on 93 for the loss of 3 after 9.1 hour. Gulzar Bhatt is the bowler. He is on his bowling mark. Javed Loon, he is on 24 with the help of 4 fours and 1 huge 6. यहाँ पे पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है इन दो बल्लेबाजों के दरमियान एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है because they have remaining 10 overs and they need 155 runs in 65 deliveries. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। समीरा दूध के मुकाबला करो, मैच कहीं नहीं जाएगा और भी बहुत है। थैंक यू समीर डार साहब फॉर योर लव टू दिस टीम चुकर रॉयल्स। आज यहाँ पे खेलना होगा जावेद सर को क्योंकि एक मायानाज खिलाड़ी है इस टीम के, एक सीनियर खिलाड़ी है, एक टेक्निकल खिलाड़ी है इस टीम के जावेद लोन। He need to be sitting here. He need to hear a partnership goes out to the batsman. This is here was a chance of a catch, but at the end missed by the fielder. At the end by bowler. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 94 for the loss of 3. Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on strike now. Gulzar Bhatt. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। अगेन Gulzar Bhatt to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman, but at the end the two batsmen take only a single here. With the single, the score moves on 95 for the loss of 3. Sohail Mir, ये कहाँ पे है मैच? Thank you Sohail Mir साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Gulzar. Oh, this is great by Gulzar. Beat the batsman Javed Loon. No run score. Remains on 95 for the loss of 3. Sohail Mir साहब, this is match played here at Srivarpura ground. Gulzar to the batsman. This is wide given by the umpire. Score moves on 96 for the loss of 3. Sohail Mir, आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। Sam Bilal, these overs can crucial to make runs. Thank you for your good session to these batsmen. This again goes out to the batsman. This is a good shot at the end. This is missed by the fielder. This was the catch. This was the wicket for Vanigam United. They lost this wicket. They lost this catch. But at the end, very well try by the fielder of Vanigam United. Nadeem Akbar Mir. He need to be cool and calm here. Now again Gulzar back to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. Oh, this is great delivery by Gulzar at the end with the batsman. The batsman wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery by Gulzar Bhatt. After 10 overs, the score is 97 for the loss of 3. 151 is need for Chukar Royals in 60 deliveries. Aida? Sadnamat. Sam Bilal, do not miss this. Thank you Sohail Mir sir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is a very important match here, Akbal Memorial Srivarpura ground. Today the two teams are Chukar Royals versus Vanigam United. First Vanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first after 10 overs. But very good batting by the batsmen of Vanigam United. They give the target of 248 runs. Very huge total given by Vanigam United to Chukar Royals. But at the end, after 10 overs, the Chukar Royals, they lost their 3 early wickets and they have only 97 runs on board. Now they need 151 runs in 60 deliveries. Yeah. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। क्योंकि जो घर बैठे इस मैच को देखने वाले हैं, चाहने वाले हैं, वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। Now 10 overs are remaining. And this is very impossible because they need 15 runs per over. 16 balls are remaining and they need 151 runs to win this match. And Javed Loon, he is on strike. Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on non-strike. Today, Chukar Riders, they play here very lazy cricket today. आज फिर निराश किया चुकर राइडर्स ने अपने चाहने वालों को, क्योंकि आज बहुत ही खराब बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे आज चुकर राइडर्स के बॉलर्स ने, बिकॉज दे गिव 248 runs here at this ground. This is very huge total given by Vanigam United. यहाँ पे थोड़ा इस वक्त पानी का वक्फा चल रहा है दोनों टीमों के दरमियान. यहाँ पे थोड़ा पानी का वक्फा चल रहा है इस वक्त. Lone Danish, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. Kaiser out हुआ है क्या? Yes, Kaiser lost his wicket he make on the 10 runs for his team. Javed Naiku, Magam में मजा है. Thank you Javed Naiku sir for joining us via with this live broadcast. Javed Loon, he is on strike. Riyaz Naiku Muhammad Anas bin Bilal Sukur. Thank you Riyaz Naiku sir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is 10 overs completed of this second evening. The score is 97 for the loss of 3. Now they need 151 in 60 deliveries. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए, और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद लें, इस मैच का मजा लें. दिस इज अ वेरी ह्यूज टोटल गिवन बाय वानीगाम यूनाइटेड. 248 run is the target for Chukar Riders. After 10 overs, the score on board is 97 for the loss of 3. Now Samir Butt again on his bowling mark on his second over to the batsman Javed Loon. He is on strike. He is on 26 with the help of 4 fours and 1 huge 6. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman Javed Loon. This is 4 for Javed, 4 for Chukar Riders. They need these kinds of shots here. They need 4s and 6s here because they have a huge total. 248 runs huge total here given by Vanigam United. Now they need 147 runs to win this match in 59 deliveries, and they have 7 wickets in hand. Samir to the batsman Javed, that is his chance here, but the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 101 for the loss of 3. They need 15 runs in per over. This is a very huge Rukai rate. 15 runs. This is again Samir to the batsman. Nadeem plays very well shot here, and very well fielding by the fielder of Vanigam United. But the two batsmen take 2 runs here. The score moves on 103. 104 for the loss of 3. Sam Bilal, 15 overs, 4 overs, only take 3 big hitters in an over. Thank you, Sam Bilal sir, for your love, for your support to Chukar Riders. This again, Samir back to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Nadeem. Very good shot, and very good. But this is 4 for Nadeem, 4 for Chukar Riders. The score moves on 108 The two batsmen need to be these kinds of shots, 4 and 6s, and they need only their wickets here because they lost their early 3 wickets. Last hope, King Adil Rashid, thank you. Last hope for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Samir Bhatt to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. He's on 33. Oh, this is great delivery by Samir. Beat the batsman. The batsman wants to hit this ball, but at the end he missed this ball. No run score remains on 108 for the loss of 3. This is very huge total given by Wanikam United. 248 runs is the target for Chukkar Riders. Samir Bhatt again to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, Nadeem wants to hit this ball, but missed. Very good delivery by Samir Bhatt. This is 11 hours completed, and the score on board is 108 for the loss of 3. 54 balls are remaining, and 140 is need for win this match to Chukkar Riders. यहाँ पे छक्कों की और चौकों की जरूरत है Chukkar Riders को. Again Gulzar Bhatt to the batsman Javed Lone. Oh, Javed Lone wants to hit this ball, but missed this shot. Very good delivery by Gulzar Bhatt. Beat the batsman Javed. No run score remains on 108 for the loss of 3. This is very great delivery by Gulzar Bhatt. Again Gulzar on his bowling mark to the batsman Javed. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. This is 6 for the batsman Javed Lone. 6 for Chukkar Riders. They need these kinds of shots here if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament, because they have a huge total given by Wanikam United. Now the score moves on 114 for the loss of 3. Gulzar Bhatt again to the batsman Javed Lone. Oh, Javed Lone again wants to hit this ball, but miss this shot. Very good delivery by Gulzar Bhatt. No run score remains on 114 for the loss of 3. Javed Lone, he's on strike. Oh, here's a chance of a wicket. Can they take this catch? This is great catch taken by the fielder at the end. This is end of Javed Lone. He make 37 runs with the help of 5 fours and 2 huge sixes. This is very well knock played by the batsman Javed Lone. And this is end of Javed Lone. Chukkar Riders, they lost their 4th wicket and they have only 114 on board. XRD score, thank you XRD sir for joining us with this live broadcast. The score is 114 for the loss of 4. Now they need 134 in 50 deliveries. This is a very huge total given by Wanikam United. 248 runs is the target for Chukkar Riders. This is very well played here by the batsman of Wanikam United, and the bowling is also very well by the bowlers of Wanikam United. Gulzar Bhatt, he takes his first wicket in his second over. Now the new batsman is Nisar Ahmed is the new batsman for Chukkar Riders. Mushtaq K, assalamu alaikum, thank you. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mushtaq K. Join us with this live broadcast. Very well. Welcome to all of you. And keep share this live broadcast with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Gulzar Bhatt to the new batsman Nisar Dar. He's on strike. Oh, Nisar Dar wants to hit this shot, but at the end he opens his account with a single. The two batsmen take here 2 runs. The score moves on 116 for the loss of 4. Sam Bilal, this shot was not needed. Runs are coming straight away. Thank you, Sam Bilal sir, for your love, for your support to Chukkar Riders. But they lost their wicket in the shape of Javed Lone. They lost their 4th wicket. Here now Nisar Dar is on strike. And Gulzar Bhatt again to the batsman. Batsman Nisar Dar wants to hit this ball, but missed this. Very good delivery by Gulzar Bhatt. Beat the batsman Nisar. The score remains on 116 for the loss of 4. 12 hours are completed in this second inning. Now 132 runs in 48 deliveries. This is a very impossible score. Very impossible for Chukkar Riders because they lost their 4 early wickets in the shape of Kaisar, Javed, Tahir, and also Irshad Lefty. Shaukat Malik, good commentary. Thank you, Shaukat Malik sir, for joining us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast and you can support me also on my YouTube channel Mohammad Anas bin Bilal. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this is a welcome again. Nadeem Akbar Mir lost his wicket. Very good delivery by Samir Butt. He takes his first wicket in the shape of Nadeem Akbar Mir. Chukkar Royals lost their fifth wicket in the shape of Nadeem Akbar Mir, and they have only 118 runs on board. Now the new batsman is Ishfaq D. The captain of this team Chukkar Royals is on strike. On non-strike is Nisar Dar. Samir Butt to the batsman. This is a good shot played by the batsman and very good fielding. But the two batsmen take a single. Ishfaq D, he opens his account with this single. Here the two batsmen, they need here big shots because they have huge total. 248 runs is the target for Chukkar Royals. But they lost 5 only wickets in 119 on board. And this is another good delivery. Nisar Dar wants to hit this ball, but at the end he missed this shot. Very good delivery by Samir Butt. The score remains on 119. Samir Butt again to the batsman Nisar Ahmed. Oh, this is a chance here, but at the end this is 4 for Nisar Dar, 4 for Chukkar Royals. The score moves on 123 for the loss of 5. यहाँ पे अगर बात करें वानीगाम यूनिट की तो एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ इस इकबाल मेमोरियल श्रीवारपुरा ग्राउंड पे, क्योंकि एक अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया, बल्लेबाजी का अच्छी, और बॉलिंग की बात करेंगे तो एक बॉलिंग भी बहुत ही अच्छी यहाँ पे दिखाई वानीगाम यूनाइटेड के बॉलर्स ने. They take their early 5 wickets and on board 123 on board only. Samir Butt again to the batsman Nisar Dar. Nisar Dar again wants to hit this ball but missed. Very good delivery at the end by Samir Butt. No runs, score remains on 123 for the loss of 5. आप सभी से गुजारिश है कि आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच हियर एट इकबाल मेमोरियल श्रीवारपुरा ग्राउंड. द टू टीम्स आर Chukkar Royals versus Waningham United today. Waningham United, they win the toss and they decided to bat and they gave the huge target 248 runs. This is a good shot played by the batsman, the captain of this team, but at the end very good fielding at the end by the fielder. The two batsmen take only a single. जहाँ पे 4 होना था वहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 रन दिया, अपने टीम के लिए 3 रन बचाए. Nisar Dar again on his this is a good shot played by the batsman Nisar Dar. Who is 6? This is 6 for Nisar Dar, 6 for Chukkar Royals. Chukkar Royals, they need these kinds of shots here because they have a huge total. They need 124 runs in 41 deliveries. It is very impossible to change this target because they lost early 5 wickets and they have only 130 runs on board. Now they need 118 runs. This is another good shot. This is 6 for Nisar Dar and 6 for Chukkar Royals. Nisar Dar need to be sitting here. He need to be cool and calm because 30 balls are remaining here in this second inning of this match and 112 runs are need for Chukkar Royals. यहाँ पे आज हम जितनी तारीफ करें उतनी कम है वानीगाम यूनाइटेड की बल्लेबाजों की, उनके बॉलरों की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे दिखाया आज इस ग्राउंड पे। अगर हम बात करें बल्लेबाजी की, बॉलिंग की, फील्डिंग की, हर एक फील्ड में उन्होंने अपना 100% दिया अपनी टीम के लिए। यहाँ पे थोड़ा वक्फा पानी का। This is the 14th hour of this second evening of this match between Chukkar Royals versus Wanigam United. Today very well cricket played by Wanigam United because they give here very huge total 248 runs target for Chukkar Royals. Very well knock Irfan Khan, Rabada, Muzaffar. Again goes out to the batsman Nisar Dar. Again wants to hit this ball but he missed this ball. Very good delivery. Very well come back by Gulzar but no runs score. Remains on 136 for the loss of 5. Again Gulzar back to the batsman Nisar Dar. He's on 18. Here is a chance but at the end very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 137 for the loss of 5. 111 runs need in 37 deliveries. यहाँ पे सिर्फ छक्के और चौके अगर लग जाएंगे तभी मुमकिन है। Great delivery by Gulzar Bhatt beat the batsman Ishbati, the captain of this team Chukkar Royals. This is end of 14 hours. The score is 137 for the loss of 5. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है वानीगाम यूनाइटेड की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज इस ग्राउंड पे, श्री फारपुरा ग्राउंड पे। एक अच्छा बड़ा टारगेट दिया चुक्कर रॉयल्स को। आप सभी से गुजारिश है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि और भी जो देखने वाले हैं वो घर बैठे इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। और आज एक बड़ा मुकाबला हो रहा है मागाम में जो फाइनल खेला जा रहा है। दोनों टीमों के दरमियान एक बड़ा मुकाबला चल रहा है। उस मैच के बारे में भी ज़रा आप कमेंट सेक्शन में अपडेट दें। दिस इज 14 hours completed for this second evening of this match. Oh, this is a great delivery by the bowler. Beat the batsman Nisar Dar. Nisar Dar wants to hit this ball, but no run score remains on 137 for the loss of 5. Atif Nabi, he's on his bowling mark. He takes his first wicket on his second over. This is again to Nisar Dar. Oh, great delivery. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman Nisar Dar. This is a quality delivery here by the bowler Atif Nabi. He also plays very well, knock off 30 runs, 35 runs. Latif Abdullah, France 11 Narbal won the final. Thank you Latif Abdullah for update this. Narbal France 11 won that match, the final at Magam today. This is a chance here, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. यहाँ पे सिंगल से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा वानीगाम यूनाइटेड को, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर चाहिए तो एक यहाँ पे अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी, लेकिन 111 runs now need to win this match in 33 deliveries. This is very impossible to chase this total because Chukkar Royals, they lost their early 5 wickets and they have only 138 runs on board. लतीफ साहब आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. So this is again Atif, again very good delivery. Beat the batsman, beat the captain of Chukkar Riders. Score remains on 138 for the loss of 5. Sami, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is again Atif to the batsman is Ishfaq. This is a chance here at the end. Very good catch taken by the fielder. This is the loss of Ishfaq. He lost his wicket and he make only 2 runs. And this is 6th wicket for Chukkar Riders, and they have only 138 on board. Now 4 wickets are remaining for Wanigam United to win this match. आज जितनी तारीफ करनी होगी उतनी कम है वानीगाम यूनाइटेड के बल्लेबाजों की, उनके बॉलर्स की, उनकी फील्डर्स की, क्योंकि सभी फील्डर्स में अपना 100% दिया इस मैच में. एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया इस ग्राउंड पे. They win the hearts of this crowd here at this stadium, Sri Varpura Iqbal Memorial Ground. Shah Haziq, thank you Shah Haziq sir for joining us with this live broadcast. The score is 138 for the loss of 6. The target is 248. Very huge total given today by Wanigam United. आज निराश किया चुक्कर राइडर्स के बॉलर्स ने अपने चाहने वालों को, because they was very expensive today. 240 is a very huge target total for Chukkar Riders. Now the new batsman is Kamran, but Atif Nabi, very good delivery by Atif Nabi, beat the batsman Kamran, but he take his second wicket in 3 hours, only give 24 runs. Very good bowling by Atif Nabi. शाह हाजिक साहब आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी से गुजारिश है इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं इस मैच का आनंद लें, इस मैच का मजा लें. This is a very important match, but today Wanigam United they play very well here at Iqbal Memorial, Sri Varpura. They give target of 248 runs, very huge total today to Chukkar Riders, and the total score on board is 138 for the loss of 6 after 15 hours. Now 30 balls are remaining in this second inning, and Wanigam they need only 4 wickets to win this match. This is very good win for Wanigam United, because they gave their 100% in this match, in fielding, in batting, in bowling. They give 100% in every field here. Now Rabada is again to the batsman Kamran. Here is यहाँ पे सिंगल से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा वानीगाम यूनाइटेड को. डाडा स्कोर लतीफ अब्दुल्ला Episco Cup match है चुकर में. Thank you Latif Abdullah sir for joining us with this live broadcast, and also thanks to you that you also supports me. I have no information settled for this match. This is Rabada to the batsman Nisar Dar. This is good shot played by the batsman Nisar Dar. This is 4 for Nisar, 4 for Chukkar Riders. यहाँ पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा अब वानीगाम यूनाइटेड को, because they also give huge total to win this match. 248 runs is a very huge total here at this pitch. Nisar on his on strike, beat the batsman. Very good delivery by Rabada. No runs score remains on 144 for the loss of 6. Latif Abdullah इस बिस्को कप है मैच चुकर में. थैंक यू लतीफ अब्दुल्ला साहब. अभी उसके बारे में मुझे कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, जब होगी तब इंशाल्लाह हम ज़रूर हमसे अपडेट आप करेंगे हम इंशाल्लाह. अभी कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है उस मैच के बारे में. दिस इज अगेन गुड डिलीवरी, वेरी गुड डिलीवरी बाय रबाडा. नो रन स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 144 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 6. Sohail Mir, thank you Sohail Mir sir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Rabada to the batsman. Here is a chance of a wicket, but at the end very good fielding. यहाँ पे एक इन रनों की कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा वानीगाम यूनाइटेड को, क्योंकि पहले से एक अच्छा सा टोटल दिया है. 248 रन इज द टारगेट, ह्यूज टोटल फॉर चुक्कर राइडर्स. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. This is second round of this tournament, HP tournament affiliate at Iqbal Memorial, Sri Varpura. Vanigam United, they need only 4 wickets to win this match. The score is 145 for the loss of 6 after 16 hours. Latif Abdullah, nice comment. Thank you Latif Abdullah sahab for your love, for your support. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और हमारी काटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. This is Nisar Dar, he is on strike, and Samir Butt. This is slower delivery, but this is wide. This is no ball given by the umpire, and this is free hit. Latif Abdullah साहब आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. This is again Samir Butt to the batsman Nisar Dar. This is a good delivery, good comeback by Samir Butt. No run score, remains on 146 for the loss of 6. And you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. King, tomorrow T20 Super Cup Chukkar under 19 first semi-final. Inshallah, I hope so. Tomorrow will be big match at Chukkar Toba ground. Under 19 T20 semi-final play today, tomorrow. Inshallah, at Chukkar Toba ground. This is 4 for Nisar Dar, 4 for Chukkar Royals. कल इंशाल्लाह एक बड़ा मुकाबला खेला जाएगा चुक्कर तुलबा ग्राउंड में, जो कि चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब वर्सेस कश्मीरी यूनाइटेड क्रिकेट क्लब के दरमियान खेला जाएगा. कल 2 बजे स्टार्ट होगा इंशाल्लाह. दिस इज अगेन बिग शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन निसार डार. 6 फॉर निसार, 6 फॉर चुक्कर रॉयल्स. दोबारा इंशाल्लाह आपसे यही कहेंगे कि कल इंशाल्लाह हम मिलेंगे आपसे 2 बजे. एक बड़ा मुकाबला होने जा रहा है कल चुक्कर तुलबा ग्राउंड में. अंडर 19 T20 सुपर कप प्लेड एट Chukkar Toba ground tomorrow, inshallah. I hope so. You will be come live tomorrow on my YouTube channel and on also my Facebook. Keep share this live broadcast with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Now 4 wickets to win this match for Vanigam United. Very good cricket play today by Vanigam United. Decent and impressive and disciplined cricket today play by the United. This is a wide delivery and missed by the wicket keeper. This is wide and by 4 for Chukkar Royals. Now 20 deliveries are remaining in this second inning and they need 87 runs. This is impossible to chase this in 20 deliveries. Nisar Dar, he is on 36 with the help of 3 fours and 3 huge sixes. The partnership moves on 23. आज अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे वानीगाम यूनाइटेड की बॉलरों ने. एक अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा किया. Latif Abdullah, thank you for joining us. Ashik Butt, where are you? Thank you Ashik Butt for joining us with this live broadcast. Right now I am at Iqbal Memorial, Sri Varpura ground. Today the two teams are Chukkar Royals versus Kashmir United. Pass. This is the last delivery of the 17th hour of this second inning of this match. 87 in 19 deliveries. This is impossible to win this match. This is another single for the 2 batsmen. आशिक भट्ट साहब आपका शुक्रिया, आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी से गुजारिश है इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो और भी घर में देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. आज 2 टीमें जो है वो चुक्कर रॉयल्स वर्सेस Vanigam United. First Vanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. Very good decision taken by the captain of Vanigam United, and they gave the total target 248 runs is the total target given for Chukkar Royals. Very huge total. But at the end, after 17 hours, the score for Chukkar Royals is 162 for the loss of 6. Ashik Butt, I am at Sri Varpura right now. This is a live broadcast from Iqbal Memorial, Sri Varpura ground. Now Khalif Rabada is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Nisar Dar. Oh, this is good shot played at the end. And then very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single here. Now 17 balls are remaining. This is another good delivery by Khalif Rabada. Ashik Bhatt, आपका शुक्रिया कश्मीरी भाई watching from Saudi Arabia. Thank you Kashmiri boys for your love, for your support, and keep share this live broadcast with your friends. Oh, this is end of the Nisar Dar. Very good delivery by Khalif Rabada. He takes his second wicket in the shape of Nisar Dar. And this is end of Nisar Dar. Very good delivery by Khalif Rabada. Clean bowled here Nisar Dar by Rabada. Wanigam United, they need only 3 wickets to win this match. Very good bowling, very good batting, very good fielding by Wanigam United today at Iqbal Memorial City Warpra ground. Kashmiri bhai, love you sir. Thank you Kashmiri bhai sir for your love, for your support, for watching this live broadcast. Oh, I've done. Oh, I've done. Mir Abid join us with this live broadcast. This is a T20 Cup played at Sri Warpura Iqbal Memorial Ground. So today the two teams are Kashmir Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. Wanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. This is Faisal Ahmad Najjar, the new batsman for Chukar Royals. This is good delivery by Rabada. Beat the batsman Faisal Ahmad Najjar. Now 13 deliveries are remaining in this second inning of this match. This is This is 18 hours. The score on board is 164 for the loss of 7. Now 12 deliveries are remaining in this second inning of this match. This is a very good cricket played by Wanigam United here, because they give huge total 248 runs. Atif Nabi, he take 2 wickets, and Muzammil take 1, Khalif Rabada take 2 wickets, Irfan Khan no wicket, Samir Bhatt take 1 wicket, Gulzar Bhatt take 1 wicket, and Imran Bhatt no wicket. This is very well bowling by the bowlers of Wanigam United. Shakir Bilal, thank you for your love. This is a good shot played by the batsman Kamran. This is 4 for Kamran, 4 for Chukar Royals. 11 deliveries are remaining in this second inning of this match, and 3 wickets to win this match for Wanigam United. This is another good delivery by Imran Bhatt. He is on his first over. Chukar Royals, they need 79 runs in 11 deliveries. This is impossible. This is good shot played by the batsman Faisal. This is 4 for Faisal, 4 for Chukar Royals. Mira Abir score, please. Score is 168 for the loss of 7. शाकिर बिलाल, आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी का शुक्रिया, और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले वो इस मैच का। दिस इज एंड ऑफ फैसल अहमद नजार. दिस इज वेरी गुड कैच टेकन एट द एंड बाय द फील्डर. दिस इज 8 विकेट फॉर चुकर रॉयल्स. आज निराश किया चुकर रॉयल्स के बॉलर्स ने, बल्लेबाजों ने, क्योंकि एक अगर हम बात करें इस टीम की वानीगाम यूनाइटेड की, तो एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे दिखाया आज इस ग्राउंड पे. दिस इज नॉट गुड क्रिकेट प्ले टुडे बाय चुकर रॉयल्स. They was win their first match at this ground, but today they lost this match against Vanigam United. King 11 balls, 80 runs need, and 2 wickets are remaining. Now Wahid Bashir. This is Wahid Bashir on strike. Oh, you come again. Latif Abdullah Latif scored Lana screen par. This is a good delivery by Imran Butt. 19 hours. Now 6 deliveries are remaining in the second inning of this match. This is very good cricket today played by Vanigam United here at Sri Varpura Ekbal Memorial Ground. They give the target of 248 runs to Chukkar Royals. And Chukkar Royals, after 19 hours, they have only 174 on board and they lost 8 wickets. Now this is the last over of this match. This is a great delivery. Bas maglo. Pas ye ball last. Let's pega no side. लतीफ अब्दुल्ला आपका शुक्रिया, किंग साहब आपका शुक्रिया। कल इंशाल्लाह एक बड़ा मुकाबला होने जा रहा है चुक्कर ग्राउंड में, जो कि अंडर 19 T20 सुपर कप प्लेड टुमारो इंशाल्लाह between Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. The 4 teams of that tournament: Kashmir United, Chukkar Cricket Club, Tangmarg Blues, and Palahaland. So this is the last pair for Chukkar Royals, and this is very great cricket today played by Vanigam United at Ekbal Memorial Sri Varpura Ground. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देखने में, इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए, और आपसे गुजारिश है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। और यू कैन आल्सो सपोर्ट मी ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। एंड दिस इज़ अ गुड डिलीवरी एट द एंड, वेरी गुड फील्डिंग, बट यहाँ पे अगर चाहिए तो अब 4 गेंदें बाकी है इस मैच में। Now JD is on a strike. Umar to JD. Here is a 4 for JD. He opens his account with this 4. यहाँ पे इन चौकों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि एक ह्यूज टोटल दिया है। 248 runs is the target, total target given by the batsman of very good batting here played, and very well bowling by Vanigam United. Again Umar to the batsman. This is a wide given by the umpire. 3 deliveries are remaining in this match, in this second inning of this match. Oh, this is a good delivery at the end. So this is a win for Vanigam United. They play very well now here. They play very good cricket. So this is the end of this match, and this is a win for Vanigam United. Very well played here at Ekbal Memorial Sri Varpura Ground.